season everyone, I'm Brooke Styles and welcome to 25 Days of Christmas. Actually, I should have dressed for this occasion. Happy festive season. No, I'm not gonna do that to you, but I'm so excited for today's first video of the holiday season. I'm definitely gonna knuckle down and get some amazing content out for you guys, both here, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Pretty much the content that is coming to you right now is getting blasted everywhere, but the amazing thing is it's not all going to be the same. So don't forget to subscribe to all my other channels so you don't miss out. The theme for this year is handmade cottage. I am obsessed with handmade goods, as you know. I'm a bit of a wholesome DIY queen. Absolutely love the thought of sustainability, recycling, and handmade this year for Christmas. Probably wondering what kind of content I'm going to bring out these next 25 days, and it is baking, decorating, gift ideas, and most importantly, how I spend Christmas. For all my Northern Hemisphere followers, you are probably going to be slightly concerned on how an Aussie treats Christmas. It is usually very hot or very wet here. Some of the traditions from my family to yours are a little bit of a summer tradition. So to start off the first day of Christmas, we're going to do some DIY ornaments. This DIY was inspired by my grandma. Now every school holidays I would spend a lot of time with my grandma. I promise I won't do too many Disney references through these 25 days of Christmas, but if we did have core memories like on Inside Out, being with my grandma on school holidays was a big part of that. She's another craft queen, and we used to decorate eggs over the Christmas holidays with recycled wrapping paper. She's one of those grandmas that doesn't tear the wrapping paper and she refolds it and uses it later. Something I would probably do. So I picked up a mix of brand new paper and also recycled paper that I found at the thrift shop, very cheap by the way, and we're going to use it today for some decorating.
All you're going to need is your printed paper, baubles. I used some recycled ones from last year, Mod Podge, your preferred coloured paint, scissors, a paintbrush, and some ribbon if you want to re-thread your baubles.
This is the recycled paper. I cannot deal with the cottage vibes it brings me, and I just think it's so sweet, the little mice and squirrels. I love this DIY that my grandma does with me because it just firstly brings back so many memories, and secondly it's just so customizable. So this is scrapbooking paper, but I just love the detail. I couldn't find too much traditional paper in the style that I wanted, and I came across these in Spotlight, and I have a massive obsession with Spotlight, so I think these are going to work really well together. Don't get discouraged when you're looking at prints about the background of it. We're not going to be using it. We're going to be cutting out all these pieces individually and having a full collage moment with these pieces. So first step was doing the painting of the baubles. The pink has turned out beautifully. I haven't stressed too much about the bottoms because we are going to be covering them. While these are drying though, it gives me a good opportunity to get the scissors out and start with the paper.
I count the hours and minutes till the last week of December. For me the Christmas spirits flow as early as September. It's the best of seasons, come and raise your glass and sing. No need for other reasons. Glory to the newborn King. I drink to Santa and his helpers too. Here's to mistletoes and here's to you. Jingle them bells and frolic, come, let's sing and dance and cheer. It's the best time of the year, the best day of the year. Yes, it is the best day of the year.
Oh my goodness, I am so happy with these. They remind me exactly of my childhood on every Christmas holidays. I did a mix of what we would usually do, which is like a loaded scrapbook look, and also some less intense pieces. I just think all together it works so perfectly. It could be a little bit too much for some. I love it. I cannot wait to put these on my Christmas tree, which you'll see me put up very soon, but till then I have a few more DIYs in the making for my Christmas tree. This is my first content continuous series, so if you're loving it so far, please let me know. Don't forget to find me on my other channels because you'll see some different DIYs on there. Happy 25 DIYs for Christmas, and I'll see you in the kitchen tomorrow for a baking gift idea. Bye!